Hey, so in answer to your question, this nice shiny panel that I just polished, I think it goes right in there. And what it does, yeah, you can see the Zeus tabs possibly. And what it does, it mounts those solenoids. And looks like is it a fuel pump? I don't know what the fuck it is, fuel filter. Anyways, that stuff mounts to it. So that panel mounts and there. There's a battery tray that mounts down the bottom with a battery holder. And then there's all the solenoids and stuff there. So what I want to do, this aluminum fender here was painted black. I believe the bike, well, I know the bike was anodized red. You can see it on the hub. And somebody, when I was looking for history, they said, yeah, I think that bike was red. So, yeah, they were indeed correct. So, I'll get the rear wheel off, piecemeal off the aluminum pieces, and clean them, polish them. Same thing with the air tank. Let's see, air bottle for the shifter. Play with the gas tank. I can definitely get that shiny. Look at the rocker covers. The side cover looks pretty shitty. I like to sandblast that thing, the MTC. Anyways, lots of little tidbits to clean, polish, take apart, rebuild. Rear wheel I'm gonna start with, pop the wheel off, get a Gramica caliper and that master cylinder, and this stuff don't move. So got to be all taken apart. I did pick up a spare Gramica for like $50 from the drag bike guys selling it. Anyways, that's the bike. Nice view for the handlebars. Switch, don't know what it does yet. Button, don't know what it does yet. Another button, don't know what it does yet. Button there. Figuring that's nitrous maybe, yeah, because it's got the gauge. Anyways, shift light. Who knows? We'll figure it out. Anyways, that's the drag bike. Nifty little piece. Oh, there's the body work right there. Vintage, funny bike. And got a little chin fairing as well. The Howies running Pro Stock still run this shit. That's what they look like. Nice little view.